my bearded brothers? Welcome back to the Bearded Journey. I am your host, Scott Barnes, and in today's video, I want to cover a topic about the uneven beard. Now, for a lot of you guys out there, this is a problem. Now, for me right now, about a month or so ago, I did the Wolverine beard trim, and I just let my beard grow after that. I really didn't trim anything up or even anything out. I was just like, we're going for it. We're just growing the beard and mustache out full throttle. And as you guys can see, there is some awkwardness going on, but that is part of the journey. That being said, we can alleviate these problems with the proper tools and the proper products. Now, I talk about this time and time again, and actually Dan C brought this subject up the other day, and it is very true that using the proper brush for the proper length is very key. Now, for me, in this early month, I was using the boar bristle brush and a straight comb. But now that my beard is starting to leave the chin and the skin and is starting to elongate below, I'm actually gonna start bringing out my barrel brush. Now, the reason why I bring that up and I brought up the Wolverine video is because right here, this chin area is very short. So right here, we're looking about maybe 1/4 of an inch, very short. To here, on my side of my jaw, is probably about 1 inch to maybe almost 1.5 inches. And for you guys that have that uneven beard growth, which happens to a lot of gentlemen out there, I say let it grow as long as you can before you trim. Now, there's a few reasons why I say that, because one, the beard can thicken up with those hairs in between, all right? That gives you a thicker and girthier beard. And on top of that, that gives you more room to trim around those uneven spots. Now, for me, this is the biggest trouble that I've always had growing out my beard, is the soul patch and the chin. It grows very slow and it's not as thick as I'd want it. But that being said, time always takes its course. So that being said, right here just grows phenomenally fast, which is good. But that being said, it actually doesn't look that even when I have this length where it's short here. So it's like I got this shortness here and the beard is growing long. So I have this really big uneven spot. Now, to alleviate this, I'm actually gonna bring out the boar barrel bristle brush out here. And what I wanna do is I want to start flexing out my beard to alleviate that problem. Instead of trimming and cutting around it, I just say let it grow, so that way your beard can thicken up and all those empty spaces and holes can fill in. But take your barrel brush and start flexing out the beard a little bit in those uneven spots. That way they both can match up and they both can have that even look. And products like Artius Man with some of the thickest beard oil, and also Live Bearded, one of my favorite beard butters, this is actually going to thicken up your beard and give you that style that you need, where your beard, like I said, when we're combing it and blending it together, can really make that even look that we all want. And that's why I bring up the tools and products every time. Just like Dan C said, we're using the right tool for the right job and the right length of beard. So when you're going through those struggles of the awkwardness or that uneven beard, don't trim. Don't cut around it. Let it grow to that spot where you want. And that's where the goals come in, right? So for me, I always have like a 2 to 3 month goal, and then maybe I might trim it up, or even the cheek or the neckline, because that gives you time to thicken up, to grow out, and actually have a vision of what it's going to look like. So for you guys out there that have that uneven beard, or you're having some holes or gaps or patches in your game, let it grow for another month or 2. Use those tools, those combs, those brushes, and that product, and that will give you that full beard glory that we all want. And I hope this is a surprise to you guys as well. I'm about 1.5 months into my beard growth. My mustache is touching the bottom lip, and we're almost about handlebar styling time. But like I said, it's just the part of the beard journey that we all go through, first timers and reoccurring beard growth. It's just part of the journey. So if you're having struggles or you're having some doubts, like I said, go over to Dan C, go over to BeardTube. Always come back to the Bearded Journey with Scott Barnes here. But it's the motivation that we need to keep going and keep growing. So if you guys got any questions that you need answering, go ahead and leave a comment down there. Love answering and talking with you guys. But like always, like and subscribe. Check me out on all that social media. Love you guys like always, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!